so I went ahead and grabbed some McGuire's aluminum polish, and I'm gonna throw some video. I'm gonna half-ass it and just try this shit out, because I'd rather have the wheels off the car to get a full polish of the wheels. There is a lot of there's a lot of water stains and a bunch of nastiness on the lips of the wheels. I ended up buying a foam wheel that you stick on the end of a fucking electric drill. So I'm gonna use that. The battery's dead, so I just used it until it died, so I didn't get the full effect. There is a pretty big difference on what was taken off on the wheels, but what kind of sucked, it kind of shows like all the hidden scratches and all the hidden like carvings and deep shit from rocks on the lips. It does look nice. It does shine pretty good for just a half-ass fucking rub down. So you guys will see what it looks like. It looks pretty damn good. I'm gonna make sure to give it a nice shine before I take it out to the local car show that's gonna be happening soon up here in the Dalles. And it's pretty sick. It's cool to be able to have some wheels that you want to care for. And if nobody knows yet, the wheels are 17 by 9.5 plus 13 work VS XX. Google them. You might find yourself a pair for sale. As you can tell, they look sick on the cords. I do need to roll the back fenders a little bit more, or get some intense camber kits in the back. I need half an inch more, and then I can fit the backs in. When I take turns, my shit rubs and it smokes pretty bad. So it's sick having them because they feel legit. Like, they're super heavy, which I don't mind because I'm not trying to fucking have a race car. It seems like everybody with a Honda wants to have a fast car, have a race car, and fuck around like that. I like my shit to sit nice and look good. Definitely wheels I'll keep for a long ass time. Honestly, like, in the future you guys will see a wheel build video. Now it's time to get some food. Let me know if you have any questions about the wheels. Don't be that what's the specs if you never plan on getting a set of wheels. Make sure to like and share the video. That helps out a lot, helps out the channel. Woo. All right, peace.
What we do here is go back.